Imagine a house shaped not only by architecture, but by the act of writing itself. This is the Writer's House, a unique residence located in Zapopan, Mexico, a home where every space revolves around creativity, silence, and the written word. At the center of the project is a courtyard, but here it is more than a transitional space. It functions as a living room, a visual breathing space, and the core that connects all areas of the house. A large set of bookshelves occupies the double-heighted central space. More than storage, it becomes the axis of the home, linking everyday life to the practice of writing. The organization of the spaces consistently prioritizes views toward this central area. The house closes itself off from the exterior to ensure privacy, yet opens completely inward, creating a continuous sense of connection. In terms of materiality, natural stone and materials chosen to age gracefully over time were used, creating shadows, textures, and marks that add memory and character to the space. Cross-ventilation is an essential element of the design. Air flows freely throughout the house, connecting spaces and maintaining a constant relationship with climate and nature. Social and creative areas are located on the ground floor, while more private spaces are positioned on the upper level, including the main suite, which features its own private courtyard. This is a house that does more than shelter those who live in it. It is a house that inspires. A place where architecture and writing meet in every detail.